is Zinga Yafe. Well, it's important to know that Rod and Y Kawako will be performing in just a few. Vic Fameka will also be performing in just a bit. Yes, so yeah. Just keep it locked for crazy performances here tonight. And we'll be good to go. Well, so you know, one thing for sure is that you should clap for yourselves for making this the best, the most sold out show here at Serena Hotel. So no one is coming in, lots of people still standing up, but they have closed up. So we sincerely apologize. Yes, we are sorry for those that are still out. Please just turn on to TV or just visit our social media pages and we'll be able to see what's going on in the inside. But for now, you have to definitely bear with us. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, Zinga Yafe.
Yes, hello everyone. Good evening today. This is Zinga Yafe. We are actors and we act on TV and everywhere. And on the 2nd of April, that will be the Easter Monday. We have a show. It's going to be massive like the way you see here. I think it's going to be the next massive show after High People Music Awards. It's going to be at the National Theatre of Uganda. So please be there. The ticket is 100,000 and 20,000 for our guests. Thank you so much.
Hi everyone, God is good and all the time. Best Afropop song goes to Rema Banyao.
Give it up for Rema Namakula, ladies and gentlemen, on your first win tonight. Congratulations. Yes. Congratulations, Rema Namakula.
I thank the organizers. My quote that whenever you need it is available. I thank the fans who have always supported us. I thank you for coming last week in such a big number. I thank the writer of the song, the producer, Mr. Pademan, and all of you. Thank you for the support. May God bless you.